Hello, everyone. Let's take a look at this 0.1 organization assignment that you're required to work on today. Your first task is to create a main folder in your drive for this school year. You could name it 7th grade or 2021 classes. So I'm going to go to my drive here just to demonstrate. And if I'm at my drive and I right click, I should be able to add a new folder. And I'm going to label that 7th grade. Get the right number in there. And it's working, and there's the new folder. Whatever works best for you. You might organize by grades going back. I don't know how many documents you have, but we now have the 7th grade folder. And if I click on this 7th grade folder, let's go back to the directions in organization. Next, provide yourself with at least 4 folders in that main folder where you can place documents from this year's core classes. The 4 folders should be named reading, writing, math, and social studies. So let's go back to the drive there, and we're going to right click on 7th grade again, add a new folder, and this first one we'll call reading, and create. And there it is. And we'll click, if I click the arrow here, it is going to show that that folder is now within the 7th grade folder. And let's right click on 7th grade again. We'll click a new folder and we'll title that writing and create it. And now you can see that we have 2 folders within our 7th grade folder for the year where we can put our assignments or certain documents that we may have. I'm not going to go any further than that. I'll let you take care of the final 2 there for when you take your screenshot of that later. And after you create the folders, take a screenshot of them to submit as a file upload to show me you have completed the task. To do this, you will need to press Control, Shift, and the Show keys, which is the F5 key at the same time, and then use your mouse to left click and take a screenshot. Your screenshot can then be found in the files under Download. So let's go and take that screenshot. So I'm going to go right here. I'm pushing Control, and if you're looking for that on your keyboard, it's actually right here, the red items, the Control, Shift, and the F5 Show key. So we'll go back and do that. I'm going to click those or press those buttons down, and now I can move my cursor over here to take a screenshot. Your screenshot will include 5 folders: 7th grade, reading, writing, math, and social studies. And it says it's the screenshot is taken, and you can show it in the folder if you want. And it's usually a good idea to name it so you can find it later on. So I'm going to right click on that and rename it and call it 7th grade folder. And now it has the new name, makes it a little easier to find. I keep hitting the ampersand sign there. I have to edit this one more time to get a 7 in there. Okay, that looks better. 7th grade folder. And now we can just minimize this for a moment. And let's go back to our directions. And that screenshot can then be found in your files under Downloads. Watch the demonstration if you need to review what was presented in class, this demonstration. And but actually, what we have to do yet in order to submit that assignment, once we have that, is when we're submitting here, you'll see File Upload, and then right here, Choose File. When you hit Choose File, it will take you to your files, and you'll be able to choose that file at the time, the 7th grade folder. And then once it's loaded in here, you can hit Submit Assignment, and it should come through in Canvas, and you will have demonstrated that you were able to do that. When you're done with that, if you finish early, you can go in and you could even create folders for your other grades if you haven't done that before, clean up past work, and get things into the correct folders.